Welcome to Run Well Journey. Today we're diving into the 3 most common mistakes beginners make when they start running and how you can avoid them. Running is a fantastic way to improve your health and well-being, but starting off on the wrong foot can lead to setbacks. Let's make sure you're set up for success. Mistake number 1, wearing the wrong shoes. Running in the wrong footwear can lead to injuries. Here's how to choose the right pair. When selecting running shoes, consider your foot type, running style, and the terrain you'll be running on. Visit a specialty store for a proper fitting and shoe recommendations. Tip: always warm up before your run. A simple warm-up routine can prevent injuries and improve your performance. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes warming up to get your muscles ready for the run. Mistake number 2, overtraining. When I first started running, I made the mistake of overtraining. It led to burnout and injuries. Here's how I learned to balance my training. Follow a structured training plan that includes rest days. Listen to your body, and don't push too hard too soon. Tip: don't forget to cool down after your run. Cooling down helps your body recover and reduces muscle soreness. Spend a few minutes stretching your major muscle groups after each run. Mistake number 3, not staying hydrated. Hydration is key to maintaining your performance and preventing cramps. Drink water before, during, and after your run. Carry a water bottle if you're running long distances. Have you made any of these mistakes? Share your experiences in the comments below and you may see a follow-up video with your story. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice on your running journey. Run Well Journey, where running meets your health.